Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Mac not showing in Find My. So if you open Find My app on your iPhone, iPad, on other Mac or in iCloud.com and your Mac doesn't appear in the list of devices, one of the possible reason that Find My Mac is turned off. When this feature is disabled, your Mac can't add it to Find My network, so you won't able to locate it if it's lost, or simply if you want to check location from other Apple devices. This isn't the only reason why Mac may not appear in Find My, but it's one of the first setting you should check because it's quick to verify and often solve the problem. So to fix the issue, click on the Apple menu and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, click on your Apple account at the top and here go to iCloud. Now click on the see all button right to save to iCloud, and here as you can see Find My Mac is turned off. So to enable it, click on it and then click on turn on button. After that a pop-up will appear. Here click on allow and you may need to enter your Mac passcode. So enter it and then click on OK, and that's it. Finally click on done, and if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.